Hey guys, this is Henry here again. In this video, I want to be showing you guys another, in quotes, shit coin, in quotes. But this coin has actually done me well this past week. I think I bought this coin on the 16th of this month for $9. I want to show you where it is right now. So it's still at a very good rate to buy, to invest. Let me go straight to the point. Here's my Google Keep. All right. As you all know, I always save most of the cryptocurrencies I buy here just for proof. All right, let me scroll down. I think it is the second to the last, the 19th. NFTART. I bought 18.9 billion pieces for $9. Let's just say $10 because 9.88 is close to $10 on the 19th of April. Now another screenshot to prove what I'm just saying right now. Where is it? Okay, this is the screenshot. As you can see, 18.9 billion pieces for 9. Okay, 9. I think it went down a little before I screenshotted. $9.24. Guys, now let me go back to my trust wallet to show you how much that $9 is worth now as we speak, without wasting much of our time. Okay, now I just refreshed, so we'll get the full details. Now, as you can see, from $9 to $183, guys. God, this is awesome. As you can see, from $9 to $183. Guys, I want to be honest with you. As of yesterday or the day before yesterday, yeah, it went high to 900. Is it $800? Went high to $800. I didn't withdraw because I was thinking, yeah, it will still continue with the bullish trend. But right now it dropped drastically. As you can see, it's now $183. I should have done this video yesterday when it was $800 and something. So you guys will be marveled at how an investment of $9 can get you $800 and something. This is see, I am so surprised. I'm so surprised with the way the world is going now. And I'm happy because nowadays it is so easy to become a millionaire. Imagine we have YouTubers who are millionaires in dollars. What do? They just post videos and they have over millions of views, and they are making money and they are living large. Young boys and young girls. These things were not happening before. Now we are in the era of cryptocurrency. There are a lot of people that I know of that have moved from zero to millions just investing in cryptocurrency. Now this is another proof. Okay, let's say for instance now I want to withdraw this $183. Haven't I made profit from $9, or let's just say equivalent to $10 to $183? Brothers and sisters, isn't this profit? Now I told you these shit coins, these so-called shit coins in quote, if you can enter early, you will really make money from it. So imagine, like I said yesterday, it was $800 and something yesterday. Now it dropped to 183. Imagine I have withdrawn that yesterday. I would have used $9 to bag $800 and something. I know of a lot of people who used $30 to make over $400 and something thousand on SafeMoon. Yes, because these people entered early. So this is one of the beauty of all these shit coins. Once you can get them early and you enter early, you can make a lot. So I'm doing this video and I believe I don't know if I should withdraw this now or just leave it. Well, I'll just leave it because I invested $9. So if it let it drops down to that amount, it's something I can lose. So and I will not feel bad. So that's why I used to advise you guys, if you want to invest in all these shit coins, invest something you know you can lose and you won't feel bad. So let's take this coin serious. NFTART. Although looking at their roadmap, looking at what the coin will be used for, it's looking promising. They are creating an NFT platform where people can sell their music, sell their art and everything. This is looking so promising. So you can purchase this coin right now. As you can see, I have 19 billion, which I bought for how much? $9. So, and you know, all these platforms, they keep giving you 10% on every transaction. So I think that's why it has increased to, let's see how much okay, it was, as you can see, when I bought it was 18.9 billion. Now, as it is right now, it is 19.4 billion, meaning they were giving me 10%. It's in their website. If you go check their website, they do give their holders, their holders, I think 10%. So that's why I see it has grown to 19 billion. So, but basically, I bought this coin for $9, and look at it. It grew to $800 and something yesterday, guys. I wish I had done this video yesterday, but only for me to wake up and see it fall to this amount. That is cryptocurrency for you guys. So you can jump into it now, guys, or still wait for it to drop big time before you invest. So who knows? We don't know whether it will drop more or buy even the more, or increase even the more rather. So it's advisable you join now. So thank you guys. You can, if you have not followed me, you are wasting your time. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell button to always get notified when I post videos, so that you can get information as quick as possible to invest. You can follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, follow me on all my social media. I do post new cryptocurrencies like this, and I think I'll be dropping my Telegram link in the description below, so you can join my Telegram group where I post information like this. So thank you guys. God bless you. I pray this goes back to 800 and above. Thank you.